Hey everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts, and I'm going to show you how I upgraded an old laundry sign to make this using some Dollar Tree products. Okay, so I got this sign, oh my gosh, just like years and years ago, and I am going to refurbish it using Dollar Tree supplies. So the first thing that I did is I had a little scuff in this corner, and I just took some sandpaper to it. It looked like almost like a chip. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart. First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint the frame with this Waverly Elephant chalk paint. And I am going to paint the front and the sides and probably just this back part right here. Oh yeah, I'm also gonna get on the inside over here too, because this part of the frame is gonna be showing. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this all painted. While I'm waiting for my frame to dry, I'm gonna get the insert to my picture done. And I got this vinyl top liner that I got at Dollar Tree. And I don't think I'm going to use the front because I think that's just a little bit too busy. But since the sign is too big for any piece of paper, I am actually going to cut the white side of it. All right, I am just taking an X-Acto knife here and just going along the border. I probably should have grabbed my cutting mat, but I didn't. All right, this goes on the inside, so this is gonna get attached to this side of it. And what I am going to do is I'm actually gonna take some Mod Podge, and I'm just gonna Mod Podge this down onto here. All right, so I'm just gonna line this up the best that I can. And I'm just gonna take some Mod Podge and just put some on the cardboard. My frame is all painted, and I have my vinyl covering on my board here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into here, back into the frame. Okay, I have it all put together, all stapled back. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is have these little pieces that I got. I don't know, they were just in my stash. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to paint this Waverly chalk ink paint color. Now, if you watch any of my other videos, you know I don't like working with black, but I think this is gonna look best with a little coat of black on it. So I have my little pieces painted that are gonna go on my wood, and I'm actually gonna stick them on the outsides of my frame here. But when I was putting this in here, I had a little bit of an accident. Part of my paint was still wet, so it got on the white vinyl that I put on here. So I actually have this farmhouse ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm actually gonna just stick this on the sides, put this on here. I'm just gonna use a little bit of hot glue to attach it. All right, my cord just isn't quite long enough. I'm just gonna stick that in there like that, and then try to line this up right around the edge like so. I'm just gonna stick a little here, nothing really thick because I don't want it to show through the ribbon. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this side done, and then I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, I have the ribbon in there, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is, and this is going to probably be a little difficult, but I have this laundry room sign, which I am going to stick in there. So I did kind of test this, and it seemed to stick pretty good on here. I'm probably just going to center them in there. So let's get these stickers off of here, and hopefully I place them right the first time, because I do not think that I'm going to be able to peel it back up and reposition it. Sorry, excuse my dirty fingers. This chalk paint sticks to your fingers like crazy. All right, so I'm gonna try to line this up the best that I can. Probably should use a ruler, but all right. And then the second sticker. All right, got those on. I think that looks pretty cute, and I really like this. It kind of gives it, yeah, I had a little mishap with my corner here, but I think I'm gonna cover that up. I don't know, okay, gives it kind of like a fabric-y look, which I think looks pretty cute for the laundry room sign. All right, then I have a couple decorations here to put on. I have my little wood cutouts that I painted black. So these, I was gonna originally put it here, but I don't think I like that. I think I'm gonna put them in the corners like this. So let's get some, I'm just gonna hot glue those on there. But that looks pretty decent. All right, then I'm gonna do the other side. Try to stay more in the middle with the hot glue. Try and just put a little bit on the ends. Ooh. Okay, I have both my corners on, as you can see. And then I have these flowers from a different project that I'm gonna glue on there. And since I had this little mishap down here where it's kind of sticking out a little bit, I'm gonna put this one down here. I think I'm gonna put, let's see, I could probably move that over a little bit. Like right there, maybe right there. And then I have these little clothespins, which I was gonna hot glue onto there. So I am going to need to cut these down or take these apart, I think, because the stems are too big. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut that off so it's more flat. And then hot glue and stick. You know what? I think I'm gonna put that up a little bit farther. I don't think I like that positioning. Let's just try to cover that up and put it, yeah, so it's not sticking off real funny. Okay, I kind of changed my positioning a little bit. I think I'm gonna put this other flower over here. And then I'm gonna take one of the clothespins and put it over here. And trying to figure out this one. Yeah, I think I'll just stick it right there. All right, so I figured out how I'm gonna hang this up. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pry one of these up a little bit. And I'm gonna stick my jute through here. Yep, you can see that, sorry. I'm horrible with the camera. So I'm gonna try to get this through here. I'm actually gonna need a little tape. All right, so I'm just gonna tape this end so I can maneuver it through here, hopefully. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take that tape off. And I'm just gonna tie a little knot here. And I'll probably put a little hot glue on here too, just to make sure it's gonna stay on here. So I'm gonna tie it about 3 times or so. And grab my little finger that I got from Dollar Tree and stick some hot glue on here. This way I know it's not gonna come off because it is tied and hot glued. And then, oh yeah, I should probably pull it up this way. Okay, and then I don't want to do too much. I don't want it to hang too much, so measure about that much off. Then I gotta grab some tape for this end and put it through here. All right, I have this side through, and then I'm gonna tie some knots in here. And that should be good right there. Again, I'm gonna do 3 knots. And then, actually, I'm gonna push this down, which I did do on the other side too. And a little hot glue, and hold it down. All right, and my laundry sign is all finished. Trying to get it all in here, but I'll get a good picture of it so you can see it. All right, well that is it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you go and get crafty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.